My name is Varat. These are my brothers, Via.
Hi.
And Bhavan.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
And today we're gonna make a rocket set.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job, Varat. And all you need is some glue, something to color with, some scissors, and some colored paper.
Oh, one second, I forgot something.
What?
Nanny.
Yeah, I think you're right, Lan.
Yeah.
Where could you be?
Today is gonna be another type of animal.
Oh, today's gonna be another time? That's weird.
Oh,
Monkey.
Okay, monkey.
Why? Where's my other eye? No, where's my? Oh,
Keep it like
he's a
that.
monkey. First step, get a black paper and give it to your brothers if you have some brothers. Step 2. Choose two colors for your rocket set. I choose blue and red.
I choose orange and yellow. So I'm gonna choose orange for the base.
I'm going to choose blue for the base.
What? I don't know. I don't know what to do.
2 hours later.
So now you got your color of your base. You now need to fold it to make a really tiny rectangle, like that. And then you need to cut it out.
Why you are so cold? Because you are in the freezer.
I'm done cutting. When you're done cutting, it should look like a blindfold. You
It's
can't
like-
see. Hello? Is anyone there?
I can only see a blue sky.
All I can see is orange everywhere. Hello?
I can see.
Oh, okay, there it is.
Yeah. I don't know what just happened.
Yeah.
What is this robot doing? It's like big.
It's like a huge monster.
No.
What happened to your hair?
How's everyone? So get a piece of another structure paper and make a triangle out of that.
Okay, I'm gonna do it with
Yellow. I'm gonna do it with red, I think.
and this is all you have to do. All you have to do is cut a line like this. How do I do this?
Mama,
What?
can I eat it?
Just 1 second.
Now we're gonna glue everything on the black paper. That's good.
Glue it. First, can I say a joke?
Yeah.
Okay. You can have this one.
And this one was in hot.
Oh, okay. What's a shark's favorite vitamin?
Vitamin
Vitamin C. Like this one. Vitamin C. Isn't that so funny?
Vitamin what?
C.
C?
Yeah, that's my joke.
That's like a big rectangular. One second. Give me 1 second. Uh-oh. It's okay. This is gonna be good. Why are we in slow mo?
Now to make the flame, like the fire coming out from the bottom, you can make a strip like this from orange or red paper and glue it on like that. Or, see like that. Or you can, if you have glitter, you can make designs from glue, like the fire coming out, and put glitter on top! Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah!
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that was actually good.
Glitter time! I think mine looks the best.
I don't know. This is harder than I thought. And mine does not look good.
I have a different way of making the flame.
I cut a piece of paper and I'm gonna fold it this way. So now I'm gonna cut this like this with scissors. Be careful. Scissors are very sharp.
Now how do I make the window?
What? Oh, you're already making the video.
Oh yeah, no, this is the moon.
Oh, okay.
Now to make the window.
I'm still making the flame.
Can I just make a window? You? How do you make a window? Oh yeah, let's make a circle.
I'm done cutting. Now, on one tiny little now at the end, there's one little dash rock. Okay, that was like really wrong. That was like melted cheese.
What?
You know melted cheese?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
What are the scissors?
Okay, 3.
Go in the speeder sack.
No time to mess around. Sonic, get some explanation. Sonic, gotta go on. Sonic, fast. Since I'm watching the Sonic is. And I'm done with my fillet. I put yellow and red strips. Woo! It looks awesome. Let's show everyone what it looks like.
Mine is the funniest one.
Yeah. Tongue's kicking. And look, my papers don't even go like this. Woo!
Mine is like the booster
Let's
one.
make them go to space.
Mine is like the booster.
Oh, mine went so hot. Okay. Okay.
Mine is
Yeah.
like the booster. Mine is like the booster,
Okay,
right?
ready?
Mine is big.
Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.